Hey guys, this is Jason with Tactical Data Desk, and in this video, you're going to see a live trade I took on NQ for about 40 ticks. Hey, all right. Good afternoon. This is Jason with Tactical Data Desk LLC. I want to walk you through a trade I took yesterday, the 13th of May, on the NQ futures using a 5-minute chart and using two custom indicators that I wrote. The first one being, which seems to be the most popular, Tactical Data Desk Sentinel Overwatch version 1.2. The second one, if you look down at the bottom on the lower indicator, I've got the Tactical Data Desk Volume Pressure. The volume pressure tool is extremely valuable and extremely powerful. I'm going to walk you through that in a little bit. If you already bought Tactical Data Desk Sentinel Overwatch and have the original version, free upgrades for everyone. Go back to your download folder where you purchased it and just look for the file Tactical Data Desk Sentinel Overwatch version 1.2.zip. Download that file, import it into NinjaTrader, and load that new indicator, which ends in 1.2, on your NinjaTrader chart. Some of the new features are a much smarter AI engine and better mathematics calculating your armed alerts and your entry signals. And the midline. If you read the trader's manual, it talks about your first profit target being the midline, so I added a visual to it. Now, I apologize for the other things happening on the screen. You know that this is somewhat of a hobby for me, and so while I was making this trade on my personal account, I was also doing some other things. Now, the volume pressure measures the order flow, cumulative volume buys, and cumulative volume sells, and it plots this two different ways on that lower indicator. You can see the thicker green bar, that's your buying, the thinner red bar, that's your selling, and then that yellow line is your exponential moving average of the sell power, and the green line is the exponential moving average of the buy power. Now this indicator is fully customizable. You can set the length, the percentage, the volume thresholds. There are so many things you can do with it. And then there on the left, it's telling you the slope of each of the EMAs for the current bar, 1 bar ago, and 2 bars ago, because if you are familiar with moving averages, you'll know that by themselves, they are essentially worthless. But if you know the slope, that is how it becomes extremely powerful. So the reason I got in this trade is because just about 9:55, 9:50, we had a giant red candle breach the green dashed line on Sentinel Overwatch and immediately reclaim it. That and the 9:55 candle before it closed has significantly more buying volume. That tells me we're reversing long for the near term. So I got in a little bit late, but got in. And hey, profit's profit. So you'll notice in this video, I just moved my stop up. I'm kind of waiting for price to get above that midline before I move it to the midline. But while I was working, I realized that I might as well move it up so that I can guarantee some profit no matter what happens. Now, you're wondering why my stop line is black and my position line is black. Well, it's because I updated my drivers for my Intel processor, my RAM, etc. And it just shifted some files in NinjaTrader, if you're familiar with how that loads in the bin on your computer, and just made those a different color. But this morning, I changed them all, and what's interesting is I made them all a different color. So I made market orders a color, limit orders a color, the profit target stop a color, the stop loss a different color. That way it's just another visual cue. So we just saw the yellow vertical line plot on the chart. That's your 10 o'clock hour for Tactical Data Desk Sentinel Overwatch. Typically, I do not trade this until after 10 a.m. The 9:30 to 10 a.m. half hour is the most significant for the Sentinel Overwatch to capture the volatility and the price action for all the candles so it can plot the clouds the rest of the trading day. There's a pretty smart engine embedded in there. It's not random, I'll tell you that. So you'll see I'm about to get stopped out here for, I don't even know how many total ticks I took. 29153 to 29195. That's about 40 ticks. So there I go. I got stopped out, and great trade. So thanks for watching. Get your license on my website.